In this video, I'm going to show you how to completely and permanently remove Copilot from Windows 11. If you find this video helpful, consider subscribing, liking, and sharing the video. Microsoft Copilot is an AI assistant that comes pre-installed on Windows 11 to help you be more productive. However, if you don't like it and you want to get rid of it, follow this guide. To get started, open your favorite browser and navigate to the link that you'll find in the description below. This will take you to the page for WinUtil, a very popular utility used to debloat Windows 11 and Windows 10. Scroll down until you find the main command. Click the copy icon next to it. Then right-click on your Start menu icon, run the terminal as an administrator, and click Yes on the security prompt. Now, simply paste the command that you just copied into the terminal and press Enter. Once WinUtil has launched, go to the Tweaks section and scroll down until you find the option to disable Microsoft Copilot. Check this box and then click on Run Tweaks. And now, Copilot is completely removed. You won't see any Copilot widgets or icons across your system. However, if you go to the Start menu and search for Copilot, you may still find a web application shortcut. You can simply select Uninstall and remove it as well. And that's it. Copilot is now fully removed from your computer.